Hello dear viewers, this video will help you figure out some of the online classroom rules, and implementing these strict online classroom guidelines will create a wonderful learning place for students. Now in the very first place, students must keep in mind that online class is no different from the traditional classroom. Both are learning places, right? The only difference is in the online class we gather virtually, whereas in the classroom we used to gather physically. So let's quickly check out some of the online classroom rules. Check your mic. We must keep in mind that our microphones are on mute and our videos are on. Videos must be on so that the host knows who is connected and whether the person is listening or not. Always enter with a notebook and a pen so that you can pen down important notes, important content, and you can refer and revise them later. Check your position while learning. Always sit upright as it has many benefits. Your brain registers the content learnt and also it receives messages faster. Never lie down while learning, children. Also dress appropriately where you can look smart and also face the camera looking neat and clean. Everybody wants to look good in front of the camera. Choose a quiet place which is away from background disturbance. This will help you to listen to the lessons, and of course you can also hear the host and your friends speaking, and also others can listen to you while you are speaking. It sounds very impressive when you use some magic words like please, thank you, and it gives a very good impression. You can also use respectful greetings like hello, how are you, good morning. This will please the host and your other friends online. Be very careful while sharing screen, as your handset may have some of your personal details, some of your selfies and family photographs which need not be shared in the learning place. So be very careful while sharing your screen. Chat box is a very familiar word these days, as teaching learning process, meetings and orientations are happening online. In this video, we shall see 15 important chat box rules. Use chat box to communicate with the host and other learners. Don't use it casually as the name suggests, chat. It is not to be used to chat. Do not abuse the chat box. While online learning, we have seen some learners using chat box and sharing unnecessary, irrelevant content like emojis and saying hello, good morning, which may create distraction for others. And firing messages one after the other when others are listening attentively to the host may create and also block the screen sharing. So this is not a place to create disturbance. As far as possible, we must try not to type when the host is speaking. Use chat box as a learning tool. It is a very important and a powerful tool in the online classes. The online learning helps communication with the help of the chat box. Don't use chat box while the process of learning is happening, when the host or the teacher is explaining. This will show that you are distracted and not listening, and it will also distract others from listening attentively. The better idea is to take down notes while the explanation is on. All the important points can be jotted, and if you have any queries, you can have a query page in your notes which can be asked or communicated with the host later during the interactive sessions. This will help others from distraction. You can drop your questions in the chat box after the explanation is done, or what you can do is you can unmute yourself if the host allows you, and you can ask your queries. This will also exhibit your seriousness towards learning, and also that you value others' time. The rule of thumb is not to use all caps. While using chat box, you are not supposed to type all letters in caps, that is capital letters, as this is considered rude in the digital world. It shows that you are very angry on the person you are speaking to. And also avoid exclamation marks, as exclamation marks may be misunderstood many a times. Using an exclamation mark may be misunderstood as to what you want to convey. You may be asking what, whereas you may sound as what, that is exclamation mark. So avoid using exclamation marks. This liberty is given to the host or teacher only if she wants to emphasize key points. Spelling rules must be followed. This is very important. As in the digital chats, we use shorts for many words which should be avoided in the learning place. We have to avoid like writing LYK instead of LIKE. No, you have to write LIKE, how it is spelled in English. All formal spellings and grammar rules must be followed even while e-learning, as we have already understood that this is just gathering virtually. The spelling and grammar rules do not change. So we have to keep in mind while using the punctuation marks and spellings. We have to follow rules, as grammar rules do matter. Well, this is very important. We have to keep in mind while communicating with the host or teacher, or even with our friends during chats or video conferencing. We cannot be very casual while speaking to them. We have to be very formal while speaking to the host or when you are addressing your teacher. There are certain rules which we must always remember while speaking to our elders, whether physical classroom or virtual. These rules will never change. Do give a thumbs up if you have liked my video, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you, viewers.